Hello to my viewers out there, welcome back to another video, and in today's episode, we will talk about the best Taily for a beginner. Because when it comes to guitar, whether you are just starting out or switching from acoustic to electric, you should pick a guitar that's worth buying for. So in here, I want to introduce you to this Telecaster from RG Guitars with Sunburst colorway. I will break down the components of this guitar so you can decide if it's the right fit for you. So without further ado, let's get started. This is the Gigline Broadcaster Special Edition Plus T-Style guitar made in 2023 by RG Guitars. It has an alder body, which is great. It has a rosewood maple neck with a comfortable C-shaped neck profile and a beautiful shaped headstock with a vintage tuners that will give you a stable tuning. What's beautiful about this neck shape is this is the most preferable and comfortable to handle with. It means you can play anything you want without a hassle, which makes this the most suitable for a wide range of playing styles. It has a stainless steel medium fretwires, this is up to 21 frets, and a bow nut which is great because it allows your guitar to have a better sound quality. And here we have the Alnico bridge and neck pickups that are really great because it gives a balanced frequency response, twanginess, and versatility, which is great for a budget mill guitar. It has a Wilkinson ashtray style bridge, three-way switch Telecaster controls, and it comes with the Adaro strings. Although some player who looks for a fuller tone might find it limiting. And besides all that, this guitar already comes with a basic setup out of the box, which is already a win-win situation for a $290 guitar, or 17,000 Philippine peso. So in this part, we will have a tone test, so you could hear what this Telecaster sounds like. So as you can see, this Tele really gives a distinctive sound of other Tele brands. It allows to sound great in any genre, especially rock. But there's still a downside of this guitar. Example for this, the three-way selector works, but it might feel slightly fragile. It could benefit from a much stronger design for its durability. This RJ Gigline Broadcaster is a really good starting point if you are just a beginner or a player who looks for a T-style guitar. So overall, I love the craftsmanship, tone, and playability, and of course, how it looks. So for me, I will give it a 9 out of 10 because it's really fair for its price. So that's all for today. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button down below and click that bell. Clink clink. Goodbye.